Look at these big chunks of mango. It was so easy to turn dried mango into this delicious ice cream. 1 cup whipping cream. 2 cups milk. 1/4 cup sugar. Stir until all the sugar is dissolved. 1 cup chopped, unsweetened dried mango. Stir to start moistening the mango. Cover and let sit in fridge overnight. Overnight, the milk will soften the mango. Pour the ice cream base into your ice cream machine. Start ice cream machine according to its directions. Pour ice cream into freezer-safe container. Scoop and enjoy.